As the holiday season approaches, the demand for high-quality, engaging toys continues to soar. Whether you're shopping for creative builders, curious tech-savvy gamers, or tactile learners, finding the right gift is key. This guide evaluates top-tier selections by analyzing their build quality, interactive value, educational impact, and overall longevity to ensure your holiday shopping brings joy for years to come.
Product number 1. LEGO Christmas Ornament Selection Building Toys. The LEGO Christmas Ornament Selection is a fantastic choice for families looking to blend hands-on creativity with festive tradition. This 153-piece set allows builders to construct 4 distinct holiday ornaments: a gift with a red bow, Santa, a snowman, and a reindeer. The assembly process is straightforward, making it perfect for children ages 6 and up, while also serving as a wonderful bonding activity for parents and kids. What makes this set truly stand out is its dual-purpose nature. It provides an engaging building experience that keeps children busy, and once finished, the creations serve as charming, durable holiday decor that can be displayed on a tree or alongside other festive LEGO sets. The instructions are clear, and for those who prefer modern tools, the LEGO Builder app offers digital guidance and 3D viewing. It is an affordable, high-quality craft kit that creates lasting holiday memories.
Product number 2. Lite-Brite Classic Bold and Bright Edition. The Lite-Brite Classic remains a staple for a reason. It's a retro favorite that perfectly captures the magic of art through light. Updated for modern play, this edition utilizes LED lights, which makes the unit more compact and energy efficient without the heat associated with older models. Designed for children ages 4 and up, it encourages fine motor skills and creativity as kids push color markers into the screen to create vibrant, glowing designs. Parents love that it offers a screen-free alternative to tablets, keeping kids focused and entertained for hours. The set comes with templates to help guide younger children who are just starting out, while allowing older kids the freedom to create their own custom patterns. While the storage for the tiny pegs can be a little tricky for younger hands, the overall wow factor of seeing their art light up makes this a top-tier gift for birthdays and the holiday season alike.
Product number 3. Silly Poopy and Friends Hide-and-Seek Gingerbread. Adding a touch of humor to game night, the Silly Poopy and Friends Hide-and-Seek Gingerbread is an interactive delight for toddlers and young children. This electronic game takes the classic concept of hide-and-seek and adds a musical, light-up twist. When the gingerbread toy is hidden, it provides hysterical audio clues to help players track it down, making the search part of the fun. The gameplay is incredibly intuitive, requiring only simple button presses to get started, which makes it perfect for younger children who might struggle with complex rules. Once found, the toy plays a joyful celebration song, reinforcing the reward of the discovery. It's lightweight, portable, and comes ready to play with batteries included. For parents looking for a simple, laugh-out-loud activity that gets kids up and moving around the house, this gingerbread-themed friend is a surprisingly engaging pick.
Product number 4. The original Slinky Walking Spring Toy. Sometimes the simplest toys offer the most enduring entertainment. The original Slinky is a timeless fidget toy that continues to fascinate kids and adults alike. This metal version offers that classic, satisfying clink sound and smooth motion that plastic imitations often lack. Whether it's walking down a flight of stairs or just being manipulated in hand, the Slinky is a masterclass in physics-based play. Its appeal spans all ages, serving as both a nostalgic treasure for adults and a source of wonder for children. Because of its simple, durable design, it has high replay value and fits easily into a stocking or small gift bag. For parents wanting to move away from screens, the Slinky offers a tactile, open-ended experience that builds patience and curiosity. It is an affordable, high-quality classic that has rightfully earned its place in every toy collection.
Product number 5. Kangaroo 3-Pack Build-A-Snowman Kit. For those who want to bring the joy of winter indoors, the Kangaroo 3-Pack Build-A-Snowman Kit is a creative arts and crafts solution. This kit includes foam putty that mimics the feel of snow, allowing kids to build, customize, and display their own snowmen regardless of the weather outside. It comes with various accessories like carrot noses, coal eyes, and arms, letting children express their artistic side. This is an excellent indoor activity for family bonding, particularly when it's too cold to play in the real snow. While the foam is easy to shape and can harden, it is also reusable, providing endless opportunities to remold the snowman. It's a great sensory fidget toy that keeps hands busy and minds engaged during the holiday break. As a stocking stuffer or a party favor, This kit offers a fun, mess-free way to celebrate the festive season. Product number 6, Play Shifu Orboot Earth Interactive AR World Globe. The Play Shifu Orboot Earth is a game changer for parents who want to integrate technology into their child's education. This interactive AR globe turns geography into an immersive adventure, allowing kids ages 4 to 10 to scan the globe with a tablet or phone to unlock 1,000 plus facts about animals, monuments, and cultures worldwide. It bridges the gap between physical play and digital learning, making world exploration feel like a high-tech discovery. The quality of the AR interface is highly praised, with many parents reporting that their children become genuinely engrossed in the always-on learning experience. It's not just a passive model, it's an evolving tool that encourages questions and independent research. While it does require a compatible device, the payoff is a rich educational experience that can be shared among siblings and friends. For curious minds eager to learn about the planet, Orboot Earth is a standout, future-ready gift. From the creative construction of Lego to the high-tech wonder of the Orboot Globe, these toys offer a blend of education, engagement, and pure holiday fun. Regardless of the interest, selecting a toy that invites interaction will ensure your gift is cherished throughout the winter season and beyond. Happy holidays, and may your gift giving bring big smiles this year.